back to my YouTube channel. I am Harshita Panchbhai and today we will be doing a Myntra's big summer sale haul, and this time you will be getting videos about jeans, tops and some tops from H&M's and all. So let's get in the video because I don't think you need more introduction about it since you are here to check the collection. सबसे ज़्यादा तो इस वीडियो में आपको जीन्स के कलेक्शन दिखेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बिकॉज मेरे पास जीन्स की बहुत कमी हो गई थी, तो आई ऑर्डर बंच ऑफ जीन्स and let's get into the video. Starting firstly with this top from H&M, and this looks so amazing. Let me show you the full version of it. The frill detailing is also so good. Oh my god, the look and feeling of this top is very beautiful. So this is the top and the frill detailing is so beautiful. Even this one, it gives such a coquette vibe and it is looking so good. It is so good to wear it on a day basis and on a cafe. It will give such a feminine vibe and this top is so beautiful. If you will wear this top, people won't stop complimenting you and it is so beautiful. Even the back is so pretty. It's such a beautiful top, oh my god. And it looks so amazing on you. So this is the first top, then we will, and it's a top from H&M. I will link all the products on my description so you can check all those. Coming towards the jean part, it is so good. It's flared and so beautiful. Even the back is also good of it. It's such a beautiful jeans from H&M as well. And the whole looks so amazing.
अगर आपको जीन्स अच्छे से नहीं दिखाई दी होगी तो फिर इसलिए मैंने एक और शॉर्ट ऐड कर ली हो जिस पे आपको जीन्स दिखाई देगा. ये जीन्स फ्लैट टाइप का है, नीचे में फ्लैट होता है. बॉटम सब जीन्स पता नहीं क्या वैसे टाइप का इसको बोलते हैं. एंड इट लुक्स सो गुड एंड इसकी फिटिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छी थी. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन हैव दिस. एंड इस टॉप के साथ भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रिटी दिख रहा था ये जीन्स. I really like this jean and this top.
Let's get and change into one new cloth. So guys, this is the look of the second jeans. It's a green one. So normal straight fit jeans from H&M. This one, it is super wide high-rise jeans, but it came out to be a super loose one for me, like that, and that's all. It's from Mango, I guess, or maybe H&M, I'm not sure about it. But yeah, this is the jean number 3. Let's move into the jean number 4. Lastly, this jeans came, but it is way too loose and it is from Mango. I think उन्होंने size दूसरा दे दिया, but it is way too loose and I don't like it at all. I might return this as well. So I might keep only 2 of the options, and that's all. One more thing I wanted to tell you guys. I received such a different kind of a jean. Look at it. It's like Mama White Hybrid. I don't know what it is. I will return this one as well. It is so horrible. Look at it. Super horrible. So I will be returning it. I don't know why it is already. So I will be keeping all the 2 that I showed in the first video, and these all I will be returning it. So yeah, let's move on to the top section and shorts. One is this top, however it is way too loose. Let me show you all. So guys, the top is very loose. I might take a chance to make it size down because it is very loose and uncomfortable to wear. But this jeans from Mango is so cool. It is super cool. It is wide leg and it looks so amazing. Yeah. So guys, this is the viral Scots, the tennis court that you've been searching for, but it came out to be a very reasonable price. And this looks so good. If you're going for gym or tennis, you can wear this court. It looks so good. It is flattering and it is under 500, so it is so beautiful. You can have this, you can wear this for your tennis or your any sort of sports that you play. And if you want to have that feminine energy, you can wear this skirts. It looks so good. It comes in so many color as well. So yeah, that's all for next one is this top, and this looks okay, but I don't like it. Is way too deep, and I don't like such deep top. You can't wear it more often. So this is the third top, and I haven't tried it very well, but I don't like it that.
गाइस रात में मेरा एक और पार्सल आ गया और मैं देखिए गिरते गिरते बची गाइस। एंड फिर मैंने सोचा कि इसको भी रिकॉर्ड कर देती हूँ क्योंकि ये आया था बहुत क्यूट सा शॉर्ट्स। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे शॉर्ट्स दैट यू कैन वेयर ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस। सो गाइज ये क्यूट सा शॉर्ट्स आया था एंड इट्स का बेबी पिंक बबल गम टाइप का कलर दे रहा था एंड इट वाज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल। ऊपर से इसका लेंथ भी बहुत एप्रोप्रिएट था एंड साथ ही साथ मैंने थोड़ा लूज़ फिट ही मंगाई थी। एक्स्ट्रा में इस पे पॉकेट भी है ऑन द ओनली वन साइड। मेरे को लग रहा था कि दोनों साइड भी होगा बट बस एक ही साइड में है एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट कूल। It is from Kufsin Keen. I guess I pronounced this name correctly and I really liked it. अगर आपको एवरीडे बेसिस पे चाहिए तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको ये वाला शॉर्ट्स। सो यू कैन वेयर इट एंड येस ये घर पे पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। बाहर का आई डोंट नो बट घर पे आप पहन सकते हो बहुत ईजिली। आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल जस्ट बिकॉज अभी सेल चल रहा है तो बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइस में मिला ये। एंड आई थिंक इट थोड़ा ज़्यादा लूज़ आ गया मेरे को।
This is all what I bought during Myntra's summer season sale. Hope you like this video. I loved shooting this video. If you want more this kinds of videos, so you can comment down below. I can give you haul of Agio, Savannah, Banek, Zara haul. If you want, if you like it, so you can comment down below and give me suggestion what more I can do and what more I can improve. So that's all you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Ta-da. Like, share, subscribe as well.